Okay, so right, button like this. Okay, so we have already done some XML like these three only, right? So we'll do some coding in Java, right? So as you remember, we have given IDs, that's ed underscore age and ed underscore button 1 and obviously ed underscore name. So we'll use this to get our information. So yeah, we'll discuss what the on create is. Now the question for the time, let's fix our hands code. Right. So what we have to do is we have to create the variables, right? So what we have done till now is have edit text. So yeah, edit text. The name is ed underscore name, right? It is the variable name. We can give it anything, but I am doing same on the both sides. Okay, ed underscore age, right? Now we have got two edit texts. Now I want something which is a button. So yeah, button ed underscore 1. Now we can see on creating, what we will do, what we have is we will actually find something like C ed underscore name is equal to typecasting to edit text. We actually find view by ID. This idea is taken from JavaScript. Okay, given to the JavaScript. Okay. So find view by ID. So yeah, now we can see the use of controller, or is the controller. Through controller, we are going to check the IDs, and the ID is ed underscore name. So this thing just implies that it is actually assigning this thing to the view Java code. The view text is communicating with the Java code through the controller, right? Yeah. Now similarly, without wasting more time, let me code ed underscore age is equal to also edit text find view by ID controller dot ID dot ed underscore age. Again, our name over, age over. Now we'll talk about something important, that is button. Yeah, so yeah, basic things are over. Now what we'll do is let us have some string value, that is name, which will be equal to name dot get text, yeah, dot toString. If you know Java, you know what I'm doing. I'm just taking the text. I'm just taking the text and counting the string and assigning it to the variable name. Okay. Now age is something just integer type, so let me use the integer of class. Integer of class. Age. Edit text is age dot. Okay, so before this thing, I will do one thing, that is convert it into integer. Percent. Yeah. Right. This will work. Now we have this thing. Let us have some alert dialog. This is a class. Right, it's equal to new. Complete the instance of the class. What actually I want to do is I want to create a alert box showing something. Right, it is an alert box which will come on the screen. The AlertDialog.builder is AlertDialog.builder. Now